Well, it's a bit of fish, that one. Oh, had a take straight away. That was on the daddy long legs. I'm right in the fish here. I can see them moving all around the boat. Oh, that was a take as well. There we go. Daddy long legs, first cast. I'm drifting really badly, so it would appear that this anchor isn't actually doing anything whatever at this point. There we go. It's not too shabby, is it? First cast to take, second cast, another take. Okay. I might just do a 2 fish catch and release. 2 is enough, isn't it? I don't need 3. Paid for 3, but I don't really need them. Well, this anchor is doing sweet nothing at all, really. Right, okay, I'll just get it out. Literally mid-cast then, as I was committed to casting. Ooh, I was going to say a trout jumped about 6 foot to my right. I've got a feeling that out in the boat today, this is going to be pretty full on. There are a lot of fish moving out here. A lot of fish. Just unhook him. There's a lot of smaller fish I'm noticing. These are, I mean, this thing's just a little over a pound maybe. Certainly no bigger than that. Got a feeling that the hook is out. I think he took on the cruncher. Oops. Yeah, that is what he took on. So again, let him go, off he goes. I've always found this water, being a smaller water, it probably is the same with most small waters, it's very, very friendly. Just because you get to talk to people, whereas if you're on the big waters, jump on the boat, disappear, that's it. It's not like I've ever felt unwelcome at Grapham or anything like that, because that's not the case. I've always felt very welcomed. And Pittsford. It's just here you see a lot of people sitting chatting to themselves or chatting to each other. I've met quite a few people. I chat to myself, obviously. Everyone thinks I'm barking mad, I think, a lot of the time. In other words, they've nailed it. Oh, got a fish. It's literally just pulling in to change my fly. I thought, what's that resistance going on? That's a bit weird. Just pulling in for a change of flight. And we had a fish. Whoa, no, 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 don't go down there. Where the heck are you going, man? Whoa. Come on, buddy. He was ready for the net a second ago. Now he's woken up. No, no, don't try and dash for it. on, baby. Up you come. Yeah, that was nice because I actually saw the fish jump, cast to it, and whee! Well, it's a better fish, that one. Much better fish. Much, much better. Nice. Oh, and he's off. That's a bit annoying. Still a good bit of footage. Oh, there we go. That's nice. There are a lot of fish moving now. Not very big fish, but fish nonetheless. Ooh, that is close to my flies. Close to me team. Come on, boys, girls, big fishies. If you're out there whizzing around. Yep. I thought there's one out there. I saw a bit of a bow wave behind my flies. Now that is definitely on the point fly. Starting to lose count now. I'm not sure if it's, I think it's 11. The only thing is, again, it's another small fish. Now it's nice actually seeing them in this direction because you can see the lovely colours on them. And it's straight on that daddy long legs again. Whoa, he's woken up a bit. I want to slightly bully him because I don't want to play him too long when I'm releasing them. Don't want to completely knacker him. Come on, buddy. Let's be having ya. Come on, don't completely knacker yourself out, my friend. Up. In. Oh, yeah, the fish took it off the top. That's lovely. That's brilliant. I thought I'd missed it actually. Just came up, as soon as it touched the water, it engulfed it. Come on, buddy. It's only another little stocky. They're quite, a lot of these are really quite small fish, only just over a pound. Let's just get him out. That came straight out. Obviously it's barbless, so that just comes straight out. And then we'll just let him go. Yeah, he's no more than a pound, that one. Still, thank you very much. Appreciate you coming and taking part. Okay, well, it's really switched on at the moment. Big time. Seems to be a lot of fish obviously feeding actively out there, just whizzing around. Watch, another cast, another fish. I'm sure a lot of people will watch this and go, oh, it's boring when it's cast a fish. And I must admit, if I went fishing every time and it was this easy, yes, it would be boring. But I've had a few difficult sessions Not difficult, but just a few where you've had to really work for the fish. This is just fun. They're going straight back. Here we go. Just felt a thunk. And another one. Come on. Take it. It's going to be hard to know what to keep in and what to cut out of this next video. I know a lot of people don't like to sort of watch videos much longer than 15-20 minutes. Most of mine seem to run towards half an hour now. Just find it really difficult. Even with a half an hour video, I've got about 16 hours of footage because I've got 2 cameras that I film pretty much full time. So it's like taking that 16 hours and condensing it into half an hour is quite difficult. Condensing it even further. I don't simply want to just show the fish being caught. You need a bit of context, and also when it is hard you need to be able to show people that it's difficult. It's not just happening, you turn up, you catch 3 fish, you come home. So today I've fished Blackdyke fishery. It's how far? What, 5 miles from Lake and Heath Air Base. And you get the F-15s flying around. Haven't heard any today. Maybe they've moved out without any notice. One in the boat. That's all we need. I lost count at 15. They're going nuts out here. Yeah, they're chasing everything. I swear in a minute one's going to jump in the boat. I've had them literally get me wet. They've jumped so close. Oh, they're jumping everywhere. It's nuts. I was unhooking one fish and another fish took my dropper that was just in the water just down by the landing net. No, luckily it got off, but it shot off with it. Yeah, they are really switched on at the moment, I would say. I reckon they must be. Conditions are pretty good, aren't they? Yeah, and the shade or the overcast. Say again? Oh, I'm sure it will. I'm gonna stay for another 10-15 minutes, then I'll go get going. But I've certainly had a good day. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'll put them on the board, yeah, for sure. I'm going to do another video and stick it on YouTube. Yeah. I've already done, I don't know, about 8 of Blackdyke. Yeah, there's loads of them on there. Okay, you take care. Here we go, just had a take and another, there we go. Trying to see if I got more than one fish on there. Definitely got a reasonable fish this time, I think. feels a heavier fish this time, so it might actually be up nearer the £2 mark than. Definitely put up a bit more of a scrap this time. I haven't properly seen him. I mean, he did jump at one point. I think it's a couple of pounds. I certainly think he is bigger than the last 4 or 5. Trouble is I can't see the damn thing. There he is. Let's be having you, mate. Come on. Fly has come out, which makes for an easier release. Say that, and then I'll put the fly around there. Okay, and away.